Hello dear students, in the physical education we are going to discuss about the MCQs of the unit 3rd, which is yoga and lifestyle. Okay, question number first is International Yoga Day is celebrated on which day you have to tell. A option 21 July, option B 21 June, option C 21st August, option D 21st May. And as you know, the International Yoga Day celebrated on 21st June every year, right? The next question is Sukhasana should be avoided A. During diabetes, B. During pregnancy, C. During menstruation, D. During spinal problems. Whenever we do Sukhasana, we should keep in our mind that we should avoid doing Sukhasana in the spinal cord problems. So, the D is the right answer. The next question is from the following benefits which are not from Vajrasana. Option A, it helps in reducing fat. It regulates monthly cycle. It helps in increasing concentration. And option D is it cures arthritis. Okay, the right answer is option D, it cures arthritis. The others are the benefits of Vajrasana, but arthritis cannot be cured by the Vajrasana. The fourth is Pranayam emphasizes on option A sitting techniques, B walking technique, C breathing technique, and D speaking technique. As you know, pranayam is made up of two words, pranayam. It means the regulation of breath. It means this the option is the right breathing technique. Question number 5. Which asana is also known as cobra pose? A. Matsyendrasana, B. Bhujangasana, C. Salbhasana, and D. Vajrasana. As you know, Bhujangasana is also called the cobra pose. It means the B answer is the correct option. Question number 6. Which of the following pose is best for beginners? Option A. Chakrasana, B. Bhujangasana, C. Padmuktasana, and D. Matsyendra Asana. For the beginners, the best pose in the asana is option C, Padmuktasana. This is the right answer. Next is yoga is science that deals with option A, study of postures, B, healthy body and mind, C, both and A and B, and D, neither A nor B. Now, the right answer is option B, healthy body and mind. Question number 8. Asanas which regulate and systemize the activities of body are option A, cultural asanas, B, meditative asanas, C, relaxative asanas, and D, none of above. Then the right answer is A, cultural asanas. Cultural asanas regulates the activities of the body, right? Next question is which is the characteristics of relaxative asanas? Option A, beneficial for removing fatigue, B, boost confidence, C, enhance meditative power or meditation power, and D, build body or build muscles, right? Then the right answer is A, beneficial for removing fatigue. That's why we are calling the relaxative asanas, right? Next question is which of the following is also known as diamond pose? A, Trikonasana, B, Vajrasana, C, Bhujangasana, and D, Ustrasana. Then the right answer is option B, Vajrasana. Vajrasana is also called as or known as diamond pose. Asthma is associated with A, digestive system, B, lung and bronchial tubes, C. Eyes, and D. Heart. Then the right answer is lungs and bronchial tubes. Option B is the right answer. Question number 12. Causes of allergic asthma is A. Exposure to an allergen, B. Stress, C. Illness like cold, D. All of the above. And the right answer is option A. Exposure to an allergen. So these were the MCQs from the unit third, which is yoga and lifestyle. Thank you.